हाय गाइस, आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल। आप में से बहुत लोग इंडियन आर्मी एज एन ऑफिसर ज्वाइन करना चाहते होंगे। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल एक्सप्लेन ऑल द एंट्रीज थ्रू विच यू कैन बिकम एन आर्मी ऑफिसर। स्टे ट्यून्ड। लेट्स फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट एंट्री स्कीम्स फॉर मेन। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इंटरमीडिएट एंट्रीज़ की, जो आपकी आफ्टर क्लास 12th होती हैं। अंडर दिस द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज़ NDA, थ्रू विच यू जॉइन NDA नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी। एक साल में इसकी 2 बार वैकेंसीज आती हैं एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 320 सीट्स होती हैं। सो आर्मी हैज़ अबाउट 208 सीट्स, एयरफोर्स 70 एंड नेवी हैज़ 42 सीट्स। इसकी नोटिफिकेशन UPSC के थ्रू रिलीज़ होती है। इसका एज क्राइटेरिया है 16.5 years to 19.5 years as on first day of the month in which course is about to start. Qualification क्या है? You should be a student either studying in class 12th, about to complete class 12th, and you should have physics and maths for Air Force or Navy. So after giving your exam, when you join this academy, you should have completed your class 12. You should not be married for this. Apply कैसे करोगे? On UPSC website as per whatever dates have been given in the notification. आपकी ट्रेनिंग कहाँ होगी? It will be in NDA in खड़गवासला in Pune. NDA में आपकी 3 years की ट्रेनिंग होगी यहाँ. After which you'll join IMA or depending upon which SSB you've cleared, Air Force or Naval SSB, and then you'll join those respective academies. The second category under this is TES, that is your Technical Entry Scheme. इसकी notification भी twice a year आती है and you have about 90 seats. It is notified by Army and आप इसके लिए अप्लाई कैसे करते हो? On official website of DGRTG, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. इसका एज क्राइटेरिया भी सेम है 16.5 to 19.5 years। और इसकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है? You should have done class 12 with physics, chemistry and maths, and you should have aggregate 60% and above and appeared in JEE mains for BE or BTech to apply. This is important now. तो ये 2 चीज़ें important हैं, 60% marks in non-medical stream and JEE mains. You should have appeared for this. So these were the 2 ways through which you can join these academies after class 12th and become an officer in the Indian Army. अब आप graduation के बाद कैसे इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं? लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट ऑल द एंट्रीज। फर्स्ट इज थ्रू UPSC। पहला है डायरेक्ट एंट्री फॉर इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी। नाउ यू नो दैट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 3 years in NDA, you spent time here in IMA, but after graduation you can directly join this academy. इसकी वैकेंसीज भी twice a year आती हैं and you have about 200 seats. Notification is given by UPSC again. इसका एज क्राइटेरिया है 19 to 24 years. क्वालिफिकेशन है कि आपने ग्रेजुएशन करी होनी चाहिए. You should be unmarried. अप्लाई कैसे करोगे? You will apply online on UPSC website. डेट कमेंसमेंट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग आपकी जैन एंड जुलाई में कोर्सेज स्टार्ट होते हैं। योर ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी इज़ इंडियन मिलिट्री अकेडमी इन देहरादून। आपकी ड्यूरेशन कितनी है ट्रेनिंग की? 1.5 years। नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव OTA SSC नॉन टेक्निकल एंट्री। OTA here is for Officers Training Academy. SSC is Short Service Commission and it is a non-technical entry. This snapshot I have directly taken from Join Indian Army website and there was a little typing error here. It is SSC, Short Service Commission. अब इसकी vacancies भी twice a year होती हैं. You have about 175 seats in this. Again, it is notified by UPSC. इसकी age limit है 19 to 25 years. Qualification, you should be a graduate from a recognized university. ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी है OTA चेन्नई एंड ड्यूरेशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग इज़ 49 weeks. Now these were entries through UPSC. Let's have a look at graduate non-UPSC entries now. The first one is SSC JAG entry. This is again Short Service Commission. JAG stands for Judge Advocate General. इसकी entries भी twice a year होती है and you have about 10 in this. इसकी age limit है 21 to 27 years. इसकी qualification है you should be a law graduate with 55% aggregate marks and eligibility for registration of Bar Council of India or state. इसके लिए आपका CLAT PG score of preceding year is mandatory. It also includes LLM qualified and LLM appearing candidates. Marital status, you should be unmarried. आप अप्लाई कैसे करोगे? Again, you will be applying this on the official website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Training Academy is OTA Chennai. Duration of training is 49 weeks. Next up is SSC NCC entry. Again, this is Short Service Commission. This is notified twice a year. Age 19 to 25 years होनी चाहिए. Qualification, you should be a graduate with 50% aggregate marks and 2/3 years service in NCC Senior Division Army with minimum B grade in C certificate exam. So you should be a holder of C certificate under NCC. You should be unmarried for this. Apply कैसे करोगे आप? Through NCC DTE as notified in the notification available on the Indian Army website. Again for this, your training academy is OTA Chennai and your duration of training is 49 weeks. Now the next two entries are again non-UPSC entries, but they are graduate technical entries. The first one is TGC Engineers. इसकी वैकेंसी भी ट्वाइस अ ईयर होती है एंड यू हैव अबाउट 60 सीट्स इन दिस. इसकी एज लिमिट है 20 to 27 ईयर्स. आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन यू शुड बी BE और BTech इन नोटिफाइड स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. यू शुड नॉट बी मैरिड फॉर दिस. आप अप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? ऑन योर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट www.joinindianarmy.nic.in पर. ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी अगेन फॉर दिस इज़ IMA देहरादून और आपकी ट्रेनिंग की ड्यूरेशन क्या होगी? 1 year. Now this is your second technical entry. Name for this is SSC Technical. This is now Short Service Commission entry for men. इसे हम SSC Tech entry भी कहते हैं. Again you have this twice a year and have about 100 seats. Age limit is 20 to 27 years. Qualification क्या है? You should have an engineering degree in notified stream. You should be unmarried for this. Again आप इसे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट इंडियन आर्मी की वहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे. इसकी ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी है OTA चेन्नई and duration of training is 49 weeks. Now we have service entry schemes for men who are already serving in the Indian Army as soldiers. The first is ACC entry. This is notified twice a year. इसकी एज लिमिट है 20 to 27 years and minimum service of 2 years. People who've rendered service for 2 years can apply. Qualification, class 12th, you should be pass or equivalent and ACC written test you should have qualified. Training academy है IMA देहरादून. There you have ACC wing. Duration of training is 4 years, 3 years in ACC wing and 1 year at IMA. Next you have PCSL entry. ये once a year notify होती है. इसमें 100 seats हैं. Maximum age is 42 years and 45 years for engineers. 45 years for IOB. Minimum service आपकी इसमें 10 years की होनी चाहिए. Qualification, matric and above. Marital status, either unmarried or married serving JCOs or NCOs, excluding sepoys. Training academy क्या है? AEC Center and College. पचमढ़ी एंड IMA देहरादून। ड्यूरेशन क्या है ट्रेनिंग की? 8 weeks at AEC Center and College, Panchmari, and 4 weeks at IMA. Last entry under this is SCO. You have it twice a year. You have about 100 seats. इसकी एज है 30 to 35 years. मिनिमम सर्विस आपकी 5 years की होनी चाहिए. क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिक विद 1 year डिप्लोमा और अबव. मैरिटल स्टेटस कैन बी अनमैरिड और मैरिड. ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी है इसकी OTA गया. 8 weeks at AE Center and College, Pachmari, and 1 year at OTA Gaya. This was all about entry schemes for men. जो आपकी UPSC की entries होती हैं, there you have to qualify an exam, either NDA after class 12th or CDSE after your graduation. Apart from this, the rest of them are direct entries. Now let's see entry schemes for women. How can women join the Indian Army? सबसे पहले after class 12, like men, women can also now join NDA or National Defence Academy. This is notified by UPSC. You have your NDA written exam, after which you appear for SSB. आपका age criteria is 16.5 to 19.5 years. Qualification 12th class system of education for Army and with physics and maths for Air Force and Navy. अप्लाई कहाँ करते हो आप? UPSC की वेबसाइट पर अप्लाई करते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेट्स मेंशन्ड इन द नोटिफिकेशन. ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी इज NDA Pune. Duration of training is 3 years at NDA and a year at IMA. The first batch of girls who joined the National Defence Academy have not yet passed out from there, so no one has yet joined the IMA so far. अब आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद आर्मी कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो एज एन ऑफिसर? फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट UPSC स्कीम. इसके अंडर यू हैव SSCW नॉन टेक्निकल एंट्री, शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन विमेन नॉन टेक्निकल एंट्री. Vacancies per course, now this keeps changing. See, sometimes it's 17, sometimes it's 16, it can be 15. So it depends according to your notification. You again have this twice a year. Exam that you appear for is CDSE, Combined Defence Services Exam. कौन notify करता है? It is notified by UPSC. इसकी age है 19 to 25 years. Qualification, you should have done graduation from a recognized university. You should be unmarried और आप UPSC की वेबसाइट के थ्रू अप्लाई करेंगे. Training academy for this is OTA Chennai and training period is 49 weeks. अब your non-UPSC entries or your direct entries. The first one that you have is SSCW NCC entry. Again, this means Short Service Commission Women NCC entries. So you have about 4 vacancies. It is notified twice a year. इसकी age limit है 19 to 25 years. Qualification, you should have done your graduation with 50% aggregate marks and 2 out of 3 years service in NCC Senior Division Army with minimum B grade. किस में आना चाहिए आपका B grade? In C certificate exam. So you should be a holder of C certificate to be able to apply for this entry. कहाँ है ये training academy? It is OTA Chennai and your duration of training is 49 weeks. Now you have the JAG entry for women, Judge Advocate General entry. Vacancies per course you have 4. This is again notified twice a year. Age limit इसकी क्या है? 21 to 27 years. Qualification क्या है? You should be a law graduate with 55% aggregate marks and you should be eligible for registration of Bar Council of India or state. इसके अलावा जो आपका CLAT PG का स्कोर है of preceding year, that is mandatory for everyone, including LLM qualified and LLM appearing candidates. You should be unmarried. Apply कहाँ करोगे? Official Indian Army website पे, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Training Academy is OTA Chennai and duration of training is 49 weeks. Now your graduate tech entry, this is non-UPSC again. The first one is Short Service Commission Technical. This is the only entry that you have under graduate tech entry for women. You have about 20 vacancies. See, these vacancies, they keep changing as per notification every time. So आपको notification बहुत ध्यान से read करनी है, whether it is UPSC entry or it is direct entry. So every time you have a notification, read it carefully. This is also notified twice a year. इसकी age है 20 to 27 years. Qualification है engineering degree in notified stream. You should be unmarried for this. Apply कहाँ करोगे? Again official website पर www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. ये इसकी training academy is again OTA Chennai and the duration of your training is again 49 weeks. So far women are in NDA and OTA. Like I told you earlier, the first batch of women who joined NDA have not yet completed their course. So we have not seen them joining IMA. That is yet to happen. So as of now, you can see women in NDA and in OTA. OTA is for Short Service Commission. So ये थे different ways through which you can join the Indian Army as an officer, both for men and women. If you have any more doubts, you can contact us through our Instagram channel or through our WhatsApp number.